Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan from Uno Ear Device on no say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, me a few things for jump in, cause me have two attack clubs for drop over here, so a two in a one, I get, Yes, man. So, let me kick it off with the one Delroy Chuck she, because Delroy Chuck run out, Hey, my wisdom warriors. After a sudden, Delroy Chuck run out and want to protect your kids them. After a sudden. So, I'm going to read what the article says. So, the article is saying, Delroy Chuck is right. This is the article, The article said, Delroy Chuck is right that corporal punishment really works as a tool to change children's behavior. So, the premise upon which he has articulated the government plan to outlaw the beating of children in Jamaican homes is sound. Children live what they learn. In that sense, corporal punishment may not only leave physical and psychological scars on children, it also often reinforces the idea of violence as an appropriate means for settling dispute, as is all too prevalent in Jamaica. Want to hear that now? So right now, but guess what? I want to know Jamaican people to open up on a kolo yai. Want to say? I want to know if you open up on your eye. Listen, if children are get abused, if children are getting abused, I am against that. People no fear abuse them pitney. You understand? People, parents, no fear abuse them children. That is not right. But remember, say, everybody always get some like a slap up. You don't know how the thing work already. You understand? Remember, say, this a come from way back when we always get slap up. And really and truly, as I said, if people are get abused, of course, come out and talk about it, deal with it, protect the kids them. But Delroy Chuck, say everybody always get a little slap up. I don't know about you. I can't talk about you because you not come from here. So I don't know. Maybe you not get none. I don't even think he's a Jamaican. Since I don't love talk about citizenship, I don't think he's a Jamaican. So you probably not get no lick. But we used to it. We little slap up. Nothing wrong with that. As long as you not abuse a child. You understand me? Oh no found no Jamaican. No found no Jamaican. No come from a Jamaican home. You don't know how the thing set. So, when Delroy Chuck him run out now with this, I don't know where I try prove or whatever, like he's going to protect the kids. Really and truly, you not even can come up with a crime plan. Uno not have no idea for nothing. But uno say, uno run out and say, uno I go protect my wisdom warriors. True, because then sister them I get a lot of backlash. The one Favour Williams, she run out and I defend it. Hear this. Education Minister Favour Williams says no decision has been made to ban corporal punishment in homes, just days after Justice Minister Delroy Chuck's recent announcement that the government plans to outlaw parental beatings. We government have done so in the schools and we want to do it in the homes because it is wrong, said Chuck, the Justice Minister. So my wisdom warriors, so because them I get backlash now, Favour Williams now, I run out and I say no ban on corporal punishment. Listen to me, I have enough pitney I get abused in their home. Enough pitney I get so lick. You hear that? Enough pitney I get some lick. And that is classed as abuse. You understand? So uno have this act all along. All along uno have this act. And now uno decide say uno go follow it. After home, no, seriously, I don't understand uno. Member say uno say, member say uno make Jamaican better. Member say uno Jamaica Labour Party come out and say, uno change Jamaica, and uno this and uno that. So uno me if you tell me say uno have that they act they all along and uno no do nothing about it. Listen to me, this not go work, Me tell you no for now. This not go work because if uno say uno ban if uno say una go ban corporal punishment in homes. Listen, as I said before, the reason why me have to dwell upon it because I have a lot of people they not understand when me talk. So this is why me have to break it down. And on top of that, me no want uno misunderstood me. So me no want uno go run me say here, say and hear what me no say. That's why me want uno listen very attentively. All me know say Jamaican people not go happy about that one here. That's one thing me know say they not go happy about. They not go happy about this one at all. So no need to saggle up and come up with something else and do better. Me no know where. I don't know what do the one Del right Chuck. I don't know what do him. No sir. She know if you see. Anyway, my wisdom warrior. So una tell me what you think about all this, you know. Uno give me phone views on this year. Tell me if you don't want them to ban it in the homes. Tell me if you don't want it to be banned in the home. Slapping up a pitney them if you don't want it to ban. You can see where everything ahead already. Underneath Andrew Wellness administration, you can see everything. Every old house I got tumble down. Every old house. So no stay there. You see what them a take them time and a push in little. I test the waters, you know. Them a push in little thing and test to see how no sound. If you not go retaliate. And true because the people then start lick out against them. This is why you have Favor Williams run out. My wisdom warriors, you tell me what you think about this and how you feel about it. My wisdom warriors, you ready for the attack claps? Me say if you're not ready for the attack claps, then you don't know say, I never know say this still a keep. They'll write Chucky mean businessy. Well, the DPP is about to know what is gonna go down. So the government seeking expedited appeal hearing in constitutional ruling against the DPP. A case management conference will be held tomorrow in chambers at the Court of Appeal for a date to be set for an expedited hearing against the Constitutional Court's ruling on the second extension of tenure granted to Director of Public Prosecutions Paula Llewellyn. So my wisdom warriors, I wonder if this are going to be live stream. I wonder if them are going to go live. Because I never hear nothing about it, you know, if them are going to go live. Because these things, we need to see what is going on. We need to see what is going on because we know how they come down. Them are people here. We buy out this are sitting here. We not depend that. We want to see what is going down. But him gone, But him gone appeal. All them something here. No, sir. We need to hear. We need to see and hear what is going on in the chambers there. And I don't joke thing, because I don't put nothing past Andrew Wellness administration. My wisdom warriors, tell me if you don't agree, yes or no. Because I can't believe that the one they'll write Chuck him just serious. So, Well, we will be hearing what is going to go down tomorrow. We are going to hear what the big thing and what going to go down because, you know, this sounds serious. But I want them to take this appeal and dash it through the door and fling it straight in the road. And that me want them to do. But they ain't gonna appeal. After they know so they in the wrong, you know. After they know so they acted unlawfully from last year, September. This a woman here work unlawfully. And they have the guts, you know. Me telling about these people, you know. They not no shame, you know. No shame in their game. They know what they do is wrong. A prisoner she shouldn't go to. Prison she shouldn't go to the whole of them. You understand? The whole of them, all the attorney. Is it the attorney general? Yes, all the attorney general too. All him should have in a problem for all these things because they acted unlawfully. They never follow the constitution. So me don't know who give them. Me don't know who give them so much strength, my wisdom warriors. Fidel right Chuck him just a run out, son, just a run out. I say I want them turn up on the judge, just run them out of the courthouse. Seriously. Because all them are something here is foolishness. Them are something here slackness. Mighty God of Daniel. But let's see, because I will be broadcasting it over here. Anyway, want to tell me how you feel about it. Hear this. My wisdom warriors, so you know say the Prime Minister and his wife, they have more than 100 trucks all over the island. Yes, man. And every backside and road construction site, and them lock off all of that. And them lock off the whole of that, you know. Wanna know that though? On a serious level. How can a sitting prime minister and his wife have more than 100 trucks all over the island and literally every backside mine and every road construction site locking out the regular folks' ability to earn a living to feed their families? My wisdom warriors. May I tell you, man, them a people here wicked. Them a people here evil. Them people are evil, 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 evil. Them a people have more than 100 trucks. You see all them boy, them are bringing trucks to Jamaica and all them something there. You know them people here. Them people here devil. A living devil. Seriously. Because the things when I see them a do. The things when I see them get away with. You know say if I the PNP couldn't do that, you know? It's a problem. A war would start revolution. You think a joke thing? But my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me how you feel about this? When the prime minister have over 100 trucks and run off the whole block them. Backside. Me not say nothing too much on that. But tomorrow I will be uploading something because I get a piece of information about the CCJ there. How much millions of dollar them already pay to the CCJ. So why they using taxpayer money and paying to the CCJ? Pay the CCJ, you know, how much $1 million, you know. So why not use the CCJ? Make it make sense. My wisdom warrior, tomorrow we are going to talk about that because me have the whole, me say me have documents. Only thing I joke, me have evidence, me have proof because we have to get to the bottom of this. Like up the video for me, man. Share it out and subscribe to my channel, guys. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. What you waiting for? Just one click. And also, guys, remember, if you don't want to be a part of the Attack for the Press, if you don't want to be a member of my channel, you can support me, you know, by click on the $sign. You understand me? Right there. So you just like and share, subscribe, and run over to my TikTok and my IG. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.